Espresso, Cody.
Okay.
Hello.
Whoa.
Oh.
Whoa. This one. Hey, no. Wait. Whose name is this?
Grandma Rosie.
No, Grandma Rosie. Grandma Nancy and Grandpa John. Here you go, ma'am. Come here. That one is Cody. This one is Haley.
Yeah, his. Mom, look! Hey, Mommy. That's for your mouth.
Oh, those looks like some nasty teeth.
Oh, look at this, Mom.
What do you have, Haley?
Oh my God! I really was dreaming about
You were dreaming about that one?
Hey, Mom, look at eyeball. Hey, Cody, look what you have too.
She was dreaming about it.
Era Roque y Manny que les tocó.
Look, Cody, we both have
Sí,
these.
la caja es una que vengo de Roque y Manny.
No.
Wow! Cody, get this. Look, I have one of this. Mommy.
What is that one? Oh, you got some fingers.
Oh, are they real?